What's up, YouTube? W211J here. I got another video for you guys today. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel. I got a whole bunch more videos coming out for you guys. But today, basically, I'm going to show you how to put your car in dyno mode. This is pretty simple to do. Obviously, you would use this if you're putting your car on a dyno. You're going to do like a tune or something like that. It 100% disables ESP, so don't use this on the street. I don't condone that. I'm not responsible if you turn your ESP off and you put this car in dyno mode and you crash into a wall. That's not me, that's you guys, all right? This is solely just showing you how to do this. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna dive right into it. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna put your key in your ignition, leave the car off. Go ahead and take the key and you're gonna turn it to the second position. So not the first one, the second one. The car is not started, but you see all the lights on the dash, right? You're gonna go ahead and turn the car back all the way off. Then you're gonna move it to the first position. Once it's in the first position, you're gonna move over here. It's very important as well that you're on this screen, the temperature screen. If you're not on your temperature screen, it's not gonna work. And then you hit this button, your reset button on the side. You're gonna hit that guy 3 times rapidly, and boom, you'll hit this screen right here. UB 12.3 volts, all right? From here, you press up on your steering wheel on the left side. You'll see this. Go ahead and press that up button one more time, and then you'll be prompted with this screen, right? ESP dynamometer test. And then you want to come over here to this side and you're going to press the up arrow and you'll see on. Once you see it on, you'll go ahead and you'll start your car just like so. Boom. And now you'll see I got a message up and I got this yellow triangle on the other side. Brake, EBV, ABS, ESP, inoperable, diagnostic rig test. So there you go. That's it. It's in ESP mode. Now, one thing that is a common misconception is that once you turn your car off and turn it back on, that this mode will turn itself back off. That is not accurate. So I'll show you right now. I turn my car off. I'll remove the key. I'll put the key back in and I'll start the car up. And you'll see I'm still in dynamometer mode. So make sure that when you're done with this, you turn it off. And to turn it off, you basically do the exact same thing. So we'll do it right now. I'm gonna turn it back off. I'm not gonna drive my car like this. So I put the key in, turn it to the second position, boom, cut the car back off, turn it to the first position, come back over here, press this reset button 3 times. Boom, I'm right on the screen already. It knows that that's what I wanna do. I'm gonna press the minus this time on the steering wheel. It's gonna go to off and then I'm gonna shut the car back on. And then I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna press this guy and I'm just gonna exit out the screen. And that's it. Now I'm out of dynamometer mode. I don't have any of those lights on. I still have my SRS light on. I'll be doing a video on how to fix that. For me, again, that issue is right here. And I talk about all the issues that this car has, such as this button too, and another one of my videos. So make sure you check out the channel and you watch that one too. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming for you guys soon. Thanks again.